Hey guys, it's Darian. Thank you for coming back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this rain barrel. I will leave a link to all the parts that I used in the description box down below. Here I'm taking 23 gauge galvanized steel hardware cloth and I am cutting it so that I can put a double layer of this in the gutter to help prevent leaves and maple tree helicopters from getting into the barrel. I'm just cleaning out all of the maple tree helicopters so that we can lay down our hardware cloth. So now that most of the debris is out of the way, I am taking the piece that I cut and I folded it in half just so that we have an extra layer of protection. Now I'm ready to start working on the barrel. Here I am using 2 flathead screwdrivers to twist the cap off of the barrel. This piece that I got is a 3-inch polyethylene corrugated to downspout barb female adapter. Now I am measuring to see where I need to cut the gutter so that we can install the adapter. Now I'm using a hacksaw to cut the gutter where we had measured. Now I'm working on drilling the hole for the hose bib. It is recommended that you drill about 4 inches from the bottom of the barrel. I probably drilled a little bit too high, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough room so I could fill up my watering can. I'm taking a file to make the hole a little bit bigger and smoother because the 3/4 inch spade drill bit that I got wasn't cutting it. Here my fiance Brad is helping me install the hose bib just to make sure that it is threaded properly. After he got it screwed in, we sealed it with a liquid silicone to make sure that it is waterproof. Next, Brad helped me drill the hole for the overflow. Sorry you can't really see what we're doing, but it's basically the same as the hose bib. Now Brad is using an 1.5 inch metal fitting to create threads in the barrel. Then we were able to screw in the plastic fitting that came with the overflow hose. This is actually a sump pump hose. I'll link it down below. Then I sealed it with the same liquid silicone, which will dry clear. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. I upload new videos every Tuesday and Thursday, so I'll see you guys later.